Hey guys, so here is another video of a headband wig. It is an 18-inch water wave. I believe it's Brazilian hair. Look at it up close and I'm going to show you everything that this wig entails. It is from Ayiyi, I believe it's pronounced. Very nice people, very fast. Look at how many headbands they sent me. Just nice, cute, casual headband wigs. Also, these lashes are amazing. Look at those natural hair lashes. Yes, nice and fluffy. And they gave me a makeup bag, and I just wanted to show you that was what was in the makeup bag, so I kind of put it back in. They gave me another set of lashes. They gave me another headband, a clip, wig cap too in there, and another clip that you'll see it later. And this is the wig. The adjustable or the Velcro is really nice and sturdy. Oh my goodness, like sturdy. And then as you can see, there's two combs right at the side and one in the middle. It's like perfect, the placement, because you know I didn't sit the wig on as tight as I could, but yeah, it didn't have adjustable straps or anything like that, but it did have the elastic. And I'm gonna put it on for you. It is so easy to put on. Look at that. Okay, usually people put their hair in a ponytail. I didn't have to, but I mean, just the snugness of it really felt good. I will say it is big head friendly. There was no shedding. There was absolutely no smell to this wig. Look at how much hair is on this wig, okay? So much hair. I could not believe it. I did not wash this hair when I got it. I usually do, but I just didn't. I had actually had the hair for a little while. So I felt it was safe enough to just go ahead and put it on. But I probably will ombre this wig, knowing me, because I love my blonde hair. But I wanted you all to see it up close. There was no tangling. And of course, I had to try the pink one out. Breast cancer awareness, yes. So very easy to put on. I wanted to show you it from the back. I more than likely will sew that together. I'll measure it so you know it fits, and then maybe sew it together. I keep saying I'm gonna do that with my other headband wigs too. I actually was dumbfounded with the density of this wig. Like, I could not believe it. They have a wonderful website, so make sure you visit it. I'll leave the description in the down bar. But yeah, was not disappointed in as much hair. And then I just decided to do a quick half up, half down ponytail. No ball or anything like that, but just to see how that looked. So cute. Such a cute everyday COVID look. Yes, indeed. Then I wanted to do another style with the band that they also gave, but I wanted to show you what it looked like in the back. And then I was like, let me try to do the barrette. No. It just, yeah, no, I wasn't feeling that. So I tried the band, which I really love that band. Might even wear that. And as you can see, the wig is not even on that tight, but I just wanted to show you real quick. As you can see my cap and all that. But yeah, just to kind of show you just the full up. Such a cute, wonderful wig. Hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Everything will be in the down bar. Bye.